Hey guys, what y'all up to? Today on Julia, I'll be showing you guys something really addicting and that I really love. Okay, so you could probably guess what it is. I'll give you a couple seconds or two. 1, 2, 3. It's a spinner, obviously. So first, I'm going to show you my fidget cube. It's blue and white, and I really love it. When I got it, it was $10, and you could just fidget with it. So I'll show you some tricks. It's just a really cool toy to fidget with when you have nothing to fidget with. Now comes with a really awesome part. Dun da da da! Fidget spinner. Woo! Really cool. It's green with black. And how you do it is you just hold your 2 fingers like that, and put these 2 fingers like this and spin it. And it's just really cool to watch, and you could do cool tricks with it. And yeah, so I could balance it. Okay, and I could try to balance it on my nose. Okay, and fidget spinners, these were $8. When I got them, you could get them at 7-Eleven. Well, I got mine at my 7-Eleven, but you can get yours anywhere. They have them, and yeah, so I'm going to show you some cool tricks. Okay, so let's just place that right there. You could do stuff like that, or you could do like that. So, and since my friend Jasmin has really wanted a video about her, I'm just going to give her a shout out right now. So thank you, Jasmin, for being a great friend, and I'm really excited to see you tomorrow on Monday, and thank you. So bye, that's it for today on Julia May. Please subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, like, and comment if you have a fidget cube or fidget spinner. So subscribe, like, comment, and the subject of the day is do you have fidget cube or fidget spinner? Peace.